Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to another fabulous week of English 235. We have rounded the midway point of the quarter. Hooray! That's got to feel good. Heading into the home stretch and then into summer, which is always an exciting feeling. Sorry if there are weird noises in the background. I have a very talkative dog. He thinks he's a person. He carries on conversations like that. So this week, we are working on topic proposals, specifically topic proposals in the form of a memorandum for the recommendation report. And so we're going to be looking at your topic that you're considering for the recommendation report, and you're going to be proposing that topic to me in the form of a memo. We've got some reading this week that should be helpful with that. Chapter 13 in your textbook is all about recommendation reports. Once again, if you've got an alternative version of the textbook, just go to that index and look up recommendation report. It should take you to the same information. We also have a chapter on writing proposals, which talks about the form and function of this type of document, as well as a little bit of information about researching your subject, which will help us find really credible, citable sources that will strengthen our own ideas in the paper. And then we're going to be working on drafting that. We are going to be doing a peer review through the discussion board, where you're going to post your stuff and then respond to the work of one of your classmates so that you get an extra set of eyes on this document, because it is kind of a lengthy document, and it's really good to get that extra round of review before you turn in something of this size and caliber to grade. So let's go ahead and take a look at the prompt for the topic proposal memorandum. So you are going to want to follow the template, because we remember memos are a very format-bound kind of technical document. They have a very specific form and a very specific function. So you're going to want to download that template. And then there are several pieces to this type of memo. So you're going to talk about which report. You're going to tell me a little bit about the feasibility or career or comparative report, whatever you're deciding to do there. And then I have in the modules tab a whole area for this proposal, because it is a fairly lengthy document. So we finished the technical description, we did that, here we go, down to the proposal. We have a whole folder of helpful information for you. So here's the recommendation report background, recorded lecture, we'll walk you through all of that. And then we've got our format guidelines that'll show us how we need to make this thing look. And then here's a sample feasibility report, and a sample of topic ideas if you're feeling stuck. And then here's some specific memo instructions. Here's the template. Here's how to put together annotated bibliographies, which you're going to need to include as a portion of this memo. So that research element is real important. And then here's the annotated bibliography and research recorded lecture. This is going to be the very most helpful thing for you. I'm going to link it also in our announcements, just so it's really easy to find. But I think you're going to want to watch that as I walk you through this whole assignment step by step. But if we take a real quick look at our proposal template here, let me get to it. Perfect. This is kind of just a fill in the blank sort of thing. So you've got memorandum, fill in the date. Here's my name, put your name in. The subject can stay the same. You don't even need to change this. And then all the instructions are written in red. Delete those before you submit the report, because I know the instructions. I don't need those. Those are just to help you compose this section. So in section 1.0, that's going to be the topic. Tell me about your topic. Section 2.0, summary of the problem or why this report might be needed. 3, tell me the type of report. Which of the 3 forms did you decide to follow for this? Number 4, tell me about your methods of research. What are you using to find sources? Are you going through the library? Are you using EBSCOhost and ProQuest? Are you using Google Scholar? Like what's working for you in terms of finding research? Then you need at least 2 figures. Those are visual elements in the proposal. So this can be photos that you took. This could be photos from online. This could be bar graphs or charts or pie charts or tables or, any visual that's going to support the information that you're providing. So think about what visuals are going to strengthen your document and how you want to incorporate those into the document itself. Section 6, you're going to talk about the beneficiaries of the report, who's going to benefit from this. If it's like a career analysis to see if you want to become a teacher or a dental hygienist or what have you, the beneficiaries would be you, like mostly, which is okay. If you're looking at other beneficiaries, like if you're comparing 2 sprinkler systems to be installed and you're trying to decide on one over the other, it's going to benefit you certainly, but it might benefit other homeowners or other property maintainers or, stuff like that. So there might be a larger beneficiary group. And then you're going to have your annotated bibliography. We do need a couple sources for this for here. And then you're going to do this annotated bibliography in APA style. So that's going to include an APA formatted citation and then a paragraph that tells us a little bit about the source. So you're going to have some summary in that paragraph where you tell the main point of your source. And then you're going to have some reflection. How might the source be useful in your recommendation report document? And that's the memo. Normally the hardest part folks find is this annotated bibliography, so I do want to call your attention to it now so that you can save that time to find that research before we submit this thing on Sunday. So that is our very excellent template. Plug your stuff in there. Make sure to delete the instructions when you submit your documents, and we'll upload this on Sunday. And that's what we're working on. If you guys have any questions, as always, reach out. I'm here to help. Have a fabulous week. Enjoy some of this beautiful sunshine and the blue skies we have, and I'll talk to you soon.